Right then. I hope you two are ready for some action.
Oh, you bet!
I need all these bricks taken over to the new warehouse site as soon as possible. Now, we don't have a lot of bricks, so please be careful. Even breaking one would cause some problems.
Don't you worry about that, Bozer. Careful's my middle name.
Oh, is it? My middle name's Pee-wee.
Now, Lug and I have to go off-site for a while to pick up some gravel, so I expect to see it done by the time I get back.
Okay.
Right, I hear we've got some bricks to shift.
We certainly have, and we're going to need some spot-on teamwork to get them moved by the time Bozer gets back. Oh, this is the kind of job I love. Us three working together. Engines roaring, tyres squealing. Ha! 3 top trucks getting things done fast. Varoom!
Excited! I never realized we had so much fun.
Mixing, grinding, and rolling.
Oh, listen to Maxine up there, all on her own.
Mixing, grinding, and rolling. Mixing,
She never gets the chance to have any fun, to be part of the real action like us.
Excuse me, Diggs. Fast and great and teamy as we are, there's an awful lot of loose bricks to shift.
And I've only got a little dumper.
You're right. Teamwork or no teamwork, we could do with an extra set of wheels.
Well, everyone else is busy. We're the only trucks left.
rolling, mixing, churning, and tinking.
Wait a minute. What about Maxine?
But we don't need a mixer.
I don't mean as a mixer. I mean as a dumper. I bet she jump-started the chance to come down here and be part of our team.
Oh, but maybe she likes standing up there on her own.
Oh, how could she? Wait. I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll up there and give Maxine the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to join in the action. Ha
But, Diggs...
Trust me, she'll love it.
A part of the action? Me? All that rolling about and shouting? But I'm a mixer, darling. I sit and I mix. That's what I do.
Oh, come on, Maxine. We could all do with the help, and you could do with the excitement.
Oh, could I know? But listen, I have to warn you, darling. If I get too excited, I start to mix.
That's nothing. When I get excited, I start to backfire. Trust me, Maxine, you're going to have a day you'll never forget.
Oh?
Don't be shy. It's our new honorary dumper for a day, Maxine.
Oh, Lord.
Welcome to the team, Maxine.
Why, thanks, darlings. But, I'm still not sure
Right
if...
then, here's the plan. I'm going to scoop up those bricks and then load them into you. Then you're going to take them across to the warehouse site and dump them as fast as you can.
Oh, fast? Oh, dear. I told you, darling, I'm not good at fast. I go too fast, I get excited. And when I get excited, I mix.
No, Maxine, you worry too much. Just think of all the top gear fun we're going to have.
Yes, and you got a lovely big barrel, Maxine.
Thank you, Scooch, darling.
Right then, let's load her up.
Wow! Maxine, you can take so much. Don't forget me, Diggs.
Yep. That's you loaded, Scooch.
Come on, Mr. Pallet, up you come.
ready to roll!
Come on, you lot. I've seen slow-moving plants move faster. Floor it!
I'll give you slow-moving plants. Keep that engine running, Maxine. Now go, go, go!
Ah!
Keep it smooth now.
It feels bumpy going this fast.
Diggs, maybe Maxine shouldn't go so fast.
Call that fast? You can go faster than that, Maxine. Faster! Feel the wind in your roof rack.
Oh, we've never done it this fast before.
Oh dear, I'm moving, I'm grooving, I'm rolling like the wind. I am greased lightning. I'm mixing. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dearie me. Oh, I don't think that's going to make a very good wall. Oh.
Oh, no.
What a mess.
Well, I did warn you that might happen if I got excited.
And I was so excited about getting you to do a job with us that I didn't listen.
Don't be too hard on yourself, Diggs. I really did have a great time. But to be honest, I'm quite happy sitting here, churning and thinking. I need my thinking time.
So, what are you thinking now?
I'm thinking that when you get excited, you stop thinking.
Do I? I thought I backfired.
If you'd been thinking, you would have known I wasn't the best machine for the job. But then I got excited and stopped thinking too. So you see, I learned a little something from you. It's very easy to let feelings get in the way of your thinking. So now, I think, you and I should face Bozer together.
So, Diggs, your middle name wasn't really Careful after all, was it?
No, I think he changed it to make Maxine go so fast she'll start to mix.
Scooch!
Don't be too hard on Diggs, Bozer. He just wanted me to be part of the action for once. I should have been more careful about me mixing. Now tell me something, darling. Did you manage to get that gravel?
No. No, I didn't, as a matter of fact.
Well, stop your dozing and look down. You've got 2 tons of the stuff.
Hey, Maxine, you're right. If you grind up bricks, you'll get gravel. Diggs and Scooch, can you scoop all this up and get it over to the loading area?
No problemo. Scoop is my middle... never mind.
And if you don't have enough, I can always grind up some more.
What's going on? What are you all laughing